Hey, Blockchain Bernie here with my latest episode, broadcasting live from fabulous Las Vegas. Man, can you believe it? Only 2 days left until 4th of July. I'm really looking forward to that. And this is my July update for the Xandeum project. And in case you don't know, we here at Xandeum building that scalable storage layer for the Solana chain and doing everything storage related. And man, you're seeing a happy Bernie today, right? Because what just happened is I'm just coming out of our first, end-to-end testing session where we are testing our upcoming liquid staking pool. And I'll tell you more about that liquid staking pool and how you can benefit from it in a second. But I'm so happy that after all that development work and all the prep work that we've been doing, we've deployed everything on chain for a test run, and have really been running through everything end to end with that liquid staking with our rewards token. That will be just awesome, and there will be huge rewards if you're early, if you're there when the pool launches, right? And unfortunately, I still cannot tell you a date as of now, even though we're testing. We've officially started the system testing, the end-to-end testing phase after all the several components that we've tested independently. But we'll have to see how long that takes. And there is still a lot of stuff going on in the setup, in the marketing messaging, in, getting everything legally set up, and all these different things, and getting all the trading pools set up, because there will be tokens listed. That's what I heard from the Xandeum Foundation and from the Xandeum Pool Foundation. I've also heard from these foundations that there might be airdrops coming, or an airdrop coming. So make sure you use our points app, points.xandeum.org. Get all your points. You can get points by just liking this video, subscribing to my channel, leaving comments, but also follow us on X, join us on our Discord, and get on the email list. The email list is the most important thing right now, because the launch is kind of imminent, right? It'll happen really soon, and then we'll have a sequence of emails that introduces you to everything you need to know on why we're doing that liquid staking pool with extra storage rewards, right? So it's all driven by the storage chain that we're building. Why are we doing that? Because liquid staking is broken on the Solana. Liquid staking is awesome. Solana is, it's having its own liquid staking boom, but it's just the beginning, right? Remember, on Ethereum, 80% of all ETH is liquid staked, right? On Solana, we're still below the 30% mark, right? So there's still a lot of growth there. And it is broken because, the validators making most of their income these days through block rewards. Block rewards are basically the rewards for creating a block. And in order to create a block, these days, many people have to pay priority fees to get their transactions through. These priority fees all go to the validators, but they need to be shared with you, the stakers, right? And there is no pool out there that programmatically shares these block rewards. We will be the first, right? And we will also be the first that have the extra storage rewards enabled in that pool, right? So every validator that gets stake from our stake pool will later adopt the Xandeum storage software that we're working on. And right after the stake pool launches, we will be launching these PNodes, that separate network of storage provider nodes with that offloaded storage functionality that will augment the Solana accounts that we have there, and will have that scalability with regards to storage capacity. So, yeah, I mean, it was a great month, because we're really going into the final stages now. Deployed everything. It was great to see that this morning. I'm just coming out of that meeting with the whole team, and also with representatives from the Xandeum Foundation watching in there, excited as well. And yeah, so that was the past few days. We'll likely need July to do, the final things and final polishes and stuff like that. I really, really hope with the next monthly update, and I'm giving you monthly updates of Xandeum here in these videos, right, in this YouTube channel. And I would assume, the next update, I can definitely give you a launch date. That's my hope, right? No promise here because, man, it's software. We're doing so many things that have never been done before. There are so many firsts with that thing. But I can promise you, it pays off for you to really follow what's going on now, to get on our email list and also the Discord and Twitter, to learn about, to be the first to know when these things come, to watch my email sequence. Each email will have a special video in it that explains all the steps. The first video on why we're doing that. We're doing that because liquid staking is important. It is booming, but it is broken on Solana. We're not, then in the second video, I'll show you the what, so how we do all that. That's going to be also super exciting. So you will see how our rewards work, and you will see that the rewards are the highest. There will be a 10x rewards boost if you're there really early, while the stake pool is still small. So while we have less than 30,000 SOL in that stake pool, you will have a 10x rewards boost, right? And these rewards tokens, that's what I heard from the Xandeum Foundation, will be listed immediately when we launch everything, right? So it is very well worth to be there day one and really follow us closely over the next few weeks in order to not miss the launch date. So that is super, super important for you. And yeah, again, man, I'm a happy Bernie today, and saw that end-to-end thing, saw how we successfully deployed everything, and saw those tokens and the liquid staking tokens and the rewards tokens in our wallets and stuff like that. That was a great moment, almost like a historic moment for that Xandeum project, and really looking forward to it. And after that, there's still a lot of work because the PNodes will be coming. And then in September, we will be in Singapore for the Solana Breakpoint event. We will have a nice booth there. If you can make it, anyway, to Solana Breakpoint in Singapore in September. It's in late September. It's right before the Grand Prix. Make it there and schedule appointments with us or with me personally. I would be happy to meet you there. And yeah, for today, thank you for watching. Leave me your comments down there if you have any more questions on where we're going, or just hit up our team on our Discord. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Catch you later.